Hello, today we will show you one of our new Flexi 21 features called Jig Template Printing. In today's demonstration we will print double-sided playing cards. The Jig Template feature is mainly useful for flatbed printers that have a pre-milled jig. In this video we are using a Mewtwo ExpertJet 661 UF partnered by one of our resellers, Trilogic. All we need is Flexi 21, the device, our jig and our media. Of course, the setup in Production Manager is very important. Let's take a look. So, we have added the device in Production Manager. Next, we open the default job properties. We can already see that the units are set in centimeters. Let's make it more practical and change the units to millimeters. Open again the default job properties. In the General tab we see a new button called Define Jig Layout. Click the button to open the Jig Layout Options tab. In this window we can define the jig template using media size, jig size, spacing and origin. First we set the media size of our print job. In this case, this will be the width and the height of our printable area. Next, we set the jig size of a single card. You can already see that it defines 25 copies automatically. In this example, we are not using margins. We keep the option Fit Jobs to Jigs and Fit Proportionally checked. Next, we set the horizontal and vertical spacing between the jigs. In this example, we set an origin. This will be the 0 point of our device. This matches the positions of the job origin. You are also able to print a preview of the jig layout. Next, we save the jig layout preset using the Save button. This is very useful when you need a jig template for a future job. In the General tab, check the Apply Jig Layout box. The default media size options will be ignored as we are now using our defined jig layout. In the second tab, select Hold After Output to keep the job in queue after printing. In the Color Management tab, make sure you have selected the correct ICC profile. Save all settings in a preset. Of course, we need a design to print. In this video, we made the back of our playing cards in Flexi using our design features. We've made the card in exactly the same size as the jig. You can send the design to Production Manager using RIP and Print. Make sure you select Hold in List and click Send. To print a design, double-click the job in Production Manager. Rotate the job if needed. Uncheck and check the Apply Jig Layout tool to fit the job in the jig. In this case, we set 25 copies to fill our template. Click Send to RIP and print the job. print the front of the cards, flip the cards after printing. In this example, we added a multi-page PDF in Production Manager with multiple designs. Double-click the job to open. Rotate the job if needed and uncheck and check the Apply Jig Layout box. Pages will fit into the Jig template. Click Send to print. After this is done, your playing cards are ready. For more information, please visit our website www.thinksai.com or visit our social channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you're first in row to watch our handy Flexi videos.